Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mini Cooper S. So from any screen, it's on the radio at the moment. See there, if you click the menu, you've got telephone. So click to select telephone. It's searching for paired devices, but you've got BT here. So if we press these buttons at the end for BT, you've got BT devices, delete. We want to delete. Delete Barry's iPhone. Yes. Now then, that also tells you a story about who this vehicle used to belong to. So I think we were on the right track before. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mini Cooper S. So the first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. And then we're looking out at the bottom here, but over to the radio, onto menu, and you see there, telephone config mini. We want telephone, select telephone, and then you've got search, which is this button here, Bluetooth here. So we want search. Bluetooth device is pairable to ensure functionality. It's already come up, mini. So we'll click on that. External device ready, help, reject and add. We want to put a passkey in, so I'm going to put 000 in, click OK. 000, click pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, and that should be done. There you go, mini connected. That's it.